Welcome to our video guide on managing VAT on orders. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to seamlessly handle VAT calculations for your company's orders, ensuring compliance and accuracy. To begin, access the admin area of your website. Locate and install the VAT on Order module via the App Shop. Once installed, move to the Modules and Extensions tabs. Find the VAT on Order module in the list of modules and click the Edit button to customize its settings. On the Module Edit page, you have several options. Enable/disable the module. Disable taxation for orders if there is a customs number EORI. Define no tax country's customs number with an ISO 2 country code. In the Platform Settings section, you can select the desired sales channel. Exclude tax for users with VAT ID. Enable strict VAT ID validation. Don't forget to save your customization by clicking Update. With the module configured, VAT application to orders is now determined automatically by the system, streamlining your workflow and ensuring accuracy. Thanks for watching.